What symptoms will occur when the charging circuit fails? Checkpoint. Check the alternator fuse and hold charging circuit. Let's go to the symptom explanation. When you turn on the key and start the engine, the charging indicator stays illuminated. Let's go over the charging system schematic separately for tie lifts, diesel, and LPG trucks. In a diesel truck, when the key is turned on, power is supplied through the alternator fuse to the IG terminal of the alternator, activating the alternator's rectifier. At the same time, the instrument panel is powered on. Since the L terminal of the alternator doesn't generate voltage at this stage, the charging indicator light remains illuminated. Once the engine alternator starts operating and outputs voltage, the voltage at the L terminal rises and balances with the battery voltage, causing the voltage difference to disappear and the charging indicator light to turn off. On the other hand, in an LPG vehicle, unlike a diesel vehicle, when the key is turned on, power flows through point A of the VIC connector into the engine wiring harness, passing through the VSW fuse on the engine to activate the ECU. The ECU then activates the power relay, allowing power to pass through the ignition fuse to join A and then to the IG terminal of the alternator, activating the alternator's rectifier. At this stage, since the instrument panel is powered on but the L terminal of the alternator has not yet generated voltage, the charging indicator light remains illuminated. When the engine starts and the alternator begins operating, the L terminal starts outputting voltage, which is transmitted through point B of the VIC connector to the instrument panel. As the voltage difference across the charging indicator light disappears, the light turns off. Check fuses and circuit. On a diesel truck, please check the alternator fuse, see if it is broken, and measure the IG terminal, see if there's 12 volts. In LPG models, locate the small fuse box on top of the engine and inspect the ignition, VSW, and ECM fuses, as well as the power relay. If all components, including fuses and relays, are functioning normally and the detected voltage is within the expected range, it is recommended to consider replacing the alternator. If you have any problem with the procedure, please contact us. Also, please stay tuned and follow us.